Okay, you're down to my YouTube channel, and I have Stay Puft marshmellows.
Yeah, hold on. And it's made by who? It is made by Hasbro.
Ghostbusters.
Hasbro Ghostbusters Mini Puff Surprise. And it also says on there, not intended to be eaten. So we're not eating this, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not eating this. It's only like slime. It's really cool. Okay, so it looks like there's little characters in there. So we don't know which one we have. And there's 6 of them that you can collect. So let's see what we have today. We bought this where? At Target, I think. So, okay, go ahead and open it. Let's see. Roll your sleeves up because it's super messy. Okay, go ahead, Nico.
Okay.
No, I said Nico. That's okay. Go ahead, open it. Somebody open it. And then put it over here so everyone can see, please. There you go. Let's see what it is. Is it hard to get off? Let me help you.
Oh, he got it.
Whoa. What is it?
You got to scoop it out like your hand. Oh, that's slimy. Ah, it's on my hand. Get off my hand, slimy. Open this. What is this? Oh, yeah.
It's some kind of slime.
Marshmellow slime.
Okay, you need to, let's show everybody what it is.
It made a scissors.
So it's some kind of plastic bag. Here, let me have the scissors and that'll help you. You'll see, it's some kind of plastic bag. Here, move your hands. Just hold it for me. Ooh, this is like super gooey.
Ah, get off.
Looks like melted marshmallows, like when he got blasted. Which one is it?
Okay, Nico, we're gonna take.
Which one? Which one?
Oh.
It's still not open?
It's a gooey Nico.
Oh, here, let me help you.
It's too little.
What's on the picture there? There's a little picture of something.
It's a Ghostbusters.
Okay.
It's a picture of Ghostbusters.
Okay. Let's see what it is.
It's gonna be so scary. I bet there's a melty one.
It is! He's melting. Here, show everybody. Which one is it? Show us.
A melting one.
Okay, let's see. Closer.
Oh, yeah. Nico, he got this one.
We can't see it, Nico. Your YouTube viewers can't see it. You gotta show it to the camera. Be real still. Be real still. Oh, he's like melting. Let me see it. Oh, how funny is that?
Yeah, I want to touch your hand.
Wow, look at that. He's like, I'm melting.
Hey, can I eat a little bit?
Did you like that?
Can we eat it?
Nope, you cannot eat that. It says on the package, do not eat.
Why?
So thank you guys for watching. And when we get another one, we'll see what the next one is that we'll be collecting.
Mom, look, it makes your hands stick. Watch.
If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe so you get notifications.
And
To more Ghostbuster toys.
To more. Hey, can someone help me get my hands out? I should put it in.
Bye.
Bye.